Hey everyone, Mike at Stray Robotics. I decided to run home real quick on my lunch break from my day job to see how this part that I designed over the weekend had printed off, and I'd like to show you guys real quick what I guess I had done over the weekend. So let's see how this thing turned out. Yeah, okay, so that looks like it turned out really well. So what I had done was I actually redesigned this part. So now this will actually have like some grooves slotted in it. So this is where we'll be running the wire, and then this little cutout is for some U-joint plastic. So I happen to have some of that right here. So I'm putting that over top of the slot where the wires go. So let's go ahead and pop this off and see what it looks like. Okay, clear away a lot of this support material. I just want to see how this section here will work with the little domes that I put in. Let's see, real quick, I'll cut a piece of that U channel and try to fit it over there. Right back. Okay, so I have gone ahead and cut up a piece of this U channel, put some holes in it to go over these little domes that I put in. So now the idea is once the motor wires come out, they'll run down this channel here, and then it'll come out through this hole over here and go into the Rover. And then to cover the wires that run through this channel, we'll just be putting this piece of U-channel on there. And since I screwed up on where the holes are in this U-channel because I'm kind of in a hurry, they don't really line up. But you get the idea. So that's the idea for holding the wires in place inside that channel. So we'll see how this goes. Just kind of a rough idea, but at least you get to see kind of my thought process over the weekend. So anyway, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Okay, I couldn't just leave the video there. I felt like there was a little more explanation, so here I am after work, after my day job. So I'm here just to explain a little bit more of what was going on with that part that I was printing. And so this is the part that was printed, and put some motors in. So now the idea is to, duplicate this guy. So I needed a way to route these wires. So now I actually have some wires in there to show you. So take these little clips here, and then I can just snap them in place like that. And that's pretty much how I think we're probably going to route these wires. So, so then after the wires are routed, at that point, then I believe this product will pretty much ship. And so then at the point where the kids would pick up their kit, all they'd have to do is pull it out of the box, route these wires through this hole here, something like this, and then take this little insert, put it in the hole, give it a turn, and now that arm is locked in place. So after that, then you can take these wires, fit them into one of these openings here, and just flip the tab over, close it, flip the next one. So now they are locked in place, and then we do the same with the black wires. Black wires lock in on that side. So then that left side of the Rover is now wired and good to go. And then we put the solar panel on and connect the solar panel to this terminal as well. Right side also goes on there, and you're ready to rock and roll. You put it out in the sun and off it goes, just like that. So yeah, I just felt like I needed to kind of clarify a little bit better of what was going on. Go ahead and subscribe, follow on Instagram, Stray_Robotics. If you're curious as to maybe what I might be doing outside of Stray Robotics, like why things maybe are taking a while in Stray Robotics, so you can follow me at StrayWard1, as in the number 1. So that would be kind of more my personal Instagram. So I like to post a lot of stuff like, I'm just kind of doing around the house or whatever. So if you're curious as to what a new homeowner is like, you can follow that as well. So anyway, I guess I will now awkwardly sign off again. So thanks for watching. Bye.